Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all my YouTube channel Talent Traders. I'm thanking you all my subscribers who reaching my subscribers count more than 1k. And this video I'm going to talk about general things about market, and also I was taken this starting of this month on a webinar to provide some intraday tips. So how the tips is working right now, so that I'm going to explain in this video. And those who are already attend that webinar, so they know what is the exact calls where we are provided, so that I'm going to show here right now. And those who are already subscribers, I was thankful to you all. You are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We are planning to give you more details about intraday and positional trading. From coming days you will be getting a lot of strategies and updates for the market. And thanks for being a subscriber with me, and thank you very much. Because of you only this was possible. And yesterday we made a video about Bank Nifty. There will be a range for Bank Nifty is around 1600 point, 1800 point expected move for a Bank Nifty, because the IV is slightly increasing day by day. So that telling you there will be a big momentum in either upside or downside. The range for the Bank Nifty is keeps going up and up, because market is very volatile right now. And today's scenario, market opened by gap up around 600 point. From there it fell down up to 1000 point, 1100 point, and even from the day low it recovered again almost 800 points. So this kind of movement due to high volatility. So we have to careful about the trading intraday and positional trading. Because of today Bank Nifty it started by 20,500 and it made a high 20,600. From there it fell down by around 19,400. From here recovered and closed by 20,200. So here this kind of movement today Bank Nifty is moving up and down because of high volatile. So we told you from yesterday we have around 1,600 point movement expected in Bank Nifty, but as of the close now it's just 300 point positive. But while you see the intraday movement, it was very big in range. So either it can go up or go down. So we cannot predict the direction, but we can assume the how much point the stock or index can move up based on the IV range. Again the IV is slightly increasing up to 2%, and Nifty is increasing their IV, and Nifty also currently high volatile, open by 200 points and get negative. From there it recovered. So this kind of markets, so we always focus edging kind of trade. So that is very best and better. We can avoid this kind of high big momentum, and so immediately it fell down and recovered out. So when you are doing a edging kind of trade, you are going to be protected in both the ways, because once our premium or even market we started a loss, to recover that losses is quite risky, and also it's tough to recover from that market. So that you have to understand. And it's the range for the Bank Nifty and Nifty is currently trading high, and high momentum expected either upside and downside. Always be protected with the edging kind of strategies. Okay, so this month starting we have done a paid classes about some webinar around 499 rupees we are charging, and we given some calls, not provided the strategies, because we are taking a separate classes for a strategy. So you can, if you wish, you can also join my paid classes and you can learn my strategies. And this I was taking an initiative for this month. So here this is my calls, around 10 calls I provided for this first of this month, and all the strategies which provided on the starting of the month itself. Not it is a every strategy, it's a positional kind of trade strategy which I provided in the starting of the month. So some index and stock based strategy, and overall the portfolio is now around 49,000 is in profit. But meanwhile in it peaks around near about 1.7 lakhs, and now it is in the profit of 49,000. So here I am providing all the strategies are hedging strategies except this India Bulls and Biocon, and State Bank is not a hedging strategy. It looks like a short straddle kind of strategy, but we know how to manage the short straddle, so that should be better and best we are doing on the trade. So here what I am provided for a Nifty and Bank Nifty, which I am given, this is what a long call butterfly and long put butterfly, and Nifty here long call butterfly and long put butterfly. All of them are in profit based on the options premium. So these are the trades where we are provided on the starting of the month. So I open an example. So Nifty, which I am given, this is my trade strategy where we are taken, and buy futures and sell futures and buy options, like that we are doing. And this strategy itself we got some good profit, and that means no loss, no kind of minimum profit is guaranteed strategy. Like the probability of profit is around 95%, 99%. The maximum profit is 8,000 and the minimum profit is around 1,000 rupees. Here we have the always profitable wherever market goes up or down. So that kind of strategies we did analyzed, and we have to find out that kind of strategies even any market condition. So that kind of strategy we find out in the starting of the month and we provided. And next one, we provide a Nifty long side as well as short side. Both are in profit. Either Nifty goes up or goes down, we don't worry about the market condition, because these positions are hedging basis position. And Bank Nifty also same kind of strategy. One is iron butterfly, one is a long call butterfly. Both all the strategy which we are given and the index, that is very beneficial. And which the stocks which gives me a more benefit, that is Bajaj Finance. So here that Bajaj Finance trade, what we have done, so this strategy which I given for my clients. So here still now it is in profit of 57,000. It meanwhile it picks up to 90k in starting of the month itself, because we taken a 1933 at the future. From here it went up to 2,500 level. So that kind of time, that when the price reaches 2,500, we got a 90k profit. And this Bajaj Finserv also we are reaching the profit of more than 70 plus k in between. But this is where we have taken the positions and still we are holding the positions. Right now the scenario, how much is the portfolio profit, and meanwhile it generates the maximum profit and gives you maximum benefit. From here 2,500, right now the market is 2,367 and we are in the profit of 57,000 rupees. And State Bank, we provide you short straddle strategy. So initially it was in loss and currently it coming into the profit. Okay, so this is the strategy. And Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finance also hedging strategies, whether market goes up or goes down, we don't worry about. And Biocon, we provide again a short straddle strategy, but even though it was giving a loss, but we are not updating here the management about the trade. So how we manage the trade, still we are not updating here. So we are doing the short straddle, and here also we are doing a short straddle strategy in India Bulls as well as Biocon. And Bharati Airtel, initially it was in more than 14,000-15,000 profit. It's currently running with a 8,000 rupees loss, and we know what is the exact loss for the trade, because we took the trades, we understood. And this is what I like a butterfly strategy. Here these all the trades where I took based on my advanced hedging strategy. So that is why I was not named what is the strategy here, and also I am not showing you. So anyone who ready to attend my paid classes, you can attend and you can learn, and also you can do with my trading with my franchisee. So I am doing Zebu. So if you want to open a trading account, I have provided my account opening link on the description. Following the link, and you can get open on your account and start doing business with me. And these are the strategies. This is a normal strategy which is available, so you can know and you can do it. And these are the hedging strategy. But even though the portfolio where we got a profit is around 49,000, because you know that the starting of the month where market is started boom and again it fall down, but even this in the scenario we have in the profit of 49,000. And approximate margin required for the trade, except the short straddle having higher margin, but remaining trades having very less margin due to the 1st of June SEBI reduces the margin for hedging kind of trade. So that which gives you the maximum benefit. That's about my this month starting trading, and we can apply this kind of trade strategy into intraday also. So whenever you have the knowledge to understand the hedging, so you can easily make money from the market with the hedging strategies. And today also we are doing some intraday trades that is also giving some hedging benefits. So that's about this video, and I hope this is my webinar which I taken for a before 1st of June for my clients, which I provided. These are my tips. So right now I am explaining how the tips is benefiting right now. It's around 40k plus 49, and meanwhile it more than 1.5 lakhs, and this is what my scenario where I provide the calls. So if you want to learn my paid strategies, you can directly contact my number which provided in the description, as well as in my YouTube page. You can contact, this is my number, and you can WhatsApp with the same number to here, and you can follow me on Telegram also. I have provided my Telegram link. And I hope this video may be some idea about options trading to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and share to your friends, and comment if you have any other doubts and questions. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.